Wow, here we are inside the Mount Wilson 100-inch telescope called the Hooker telescope, right, Tom?
Correct.
Yep, this is Tom Meneghini, and Tom is the executive director of Mount Wilson Observatory, and they have this telescope for use as a visual program.
Right. Offered to the public.
Open to the public, but they use a Explore Scientific ED-127 Apo telescope to look into the 100-inch telescope. And how does that work, Tom?
Right. Well, we have the tertiary is normally facing south, but in this case we face it north, so we have access through the yoke here. We have a section of it still in place, which is a diagonal mirror, which we call it a relay optics, that sends the light down underneath the telescope to a second diagonal, and then into your ED-127, where we have an eyepiece and people can view great things. I've looked at Saturn is spectacular. Jupiter is unbelievable in this telescope, as are many other objects.
Through it myself. This is going to be really exciting.
It is very good.
It's all apart right now because they are re-illuminizing the mirror.
Correct. We have the 100-inch mirror, which would normally sit inside this cell. It's down in the vacuum chamber now, being re-illuminized. We have already resurfaced the secondary and tertiary mirrors, and they're back in place.
It's really nice.
Tomorrow, weather permitting, and we will bring the 100-inch mirror up here with what you saw, the wiffle tree, which is a real act of faith, and, and place it back in here. And if we have enough time, we will bolt it on back to the bottom of the truss here.
And this thing weighs, you said, 19,000 pounds?
With the mirror, it's 19,000 pounds.
Wow. So there's bar here holding the telescope in its position because it's top heavy.
Very top heavy right now, with the cage up there and nothing beneath it to balance it.
Yeah, well, it's really exciting to know that we participate in your visual program, and
it is.
Tom, I'm looking forward to looking through it myself.
I hope you do.
All right, thanks, man.
You're welcome.
Take care. See you guys.